Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Cradle Cap Kit is probably one of the most essential tools a parent can have in their arsenal when dealing with the common, yet sometimes frustrating, condition of cradle cap in infants, offering a gentle yet effective solution to soothe your baby's scalp and restore its natural balance, ensuring comfort and health for your little one's delicate skin. Number 5. Frida Baby Cradle Cap Treatment Kit. Is your little one struggling with cradle cap? We understand how frustrating it can be for both of you. Our specially formulated treatment gently cleanses and soothes your baby's delicate scalp. It effectively tackles dryness and flakes without causing irritation. This kit includes a gentle shampoo to cleanse and a flake fixer spray to help calm the scalp. Together, they provide a powerful yet gentle solution. It not only soothes existing discomfort but also helps prevent future dryness and flaking. Keep their scalp healthy and comfortable. Give your baby the gift of a comfortable scalp. Our treatment is designed to bring relief and promote a healthier scalp environment. The simple two-step process makes it easy to incorporate into your baby's routine. Achieve great results with minimal effort. What we like? This kit offers a two-step approach to tackle cradle cap. It includes both a shampoo to cleanse and a spray to help loosen flakes. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution that addresses both the treatment and prevention of dryness and flakes, this is a great choice. What people say. This partnered with their Cradle Cap shampoo is great at removing the cradle cap. Remember to be gentle with your baby when scrubbing, but the brush and comb are gentle and soft themselves. It's easy to use and works wonders. I tried other methods, but this set worked the best and left my baby's head super soft. Help me get out my baby's cradle cap quickly and nicely. The sponge part is great for washing hair daily. Super soft and the bristles work great. Design is nice, how it has a stand to sit it in the shower. Number 4. Era Organics Baby Healing Ointment. Introducing Era Organics Healing Ointment, a USDA-certified organic solution designed for your baby's delicate skin. It's perfect for soothing sensitive skin prone to eczema and cradle cap. This ointment is National Eczema Association approved, dermatologically tested, and pediatrician recommended. It provides instant relief and faster recovery for your baby's skin concerns. Formulated with nature's most potent ingredients, it effectively calms and restores skin affected by eczema, cradle cap, rashes, or dryness. It truly lives up to its super bomb name. Our food-grade organic ingredients work to calm irritation and redness. They also deeply nourish and protect your baby's skin, preventing future flare-ups. Crafted with USDA-certified organic chamomile, calendula, colloidal oats, and castor oil. This formula is pure, safe, and effective, even for the most sensitive skin, with no hidden chemicals. Use it from head to toe for various skin issues like eczema, cradle cap, rashes, or minor cuts. This one gentle yet powerful formula replaces multiple products. We are confident you'll love it, but if you're not completely satisfied within 60 days, we'll make it right. Your baby's skin health is our priority. What we like? This balm is packed with USDA-certified organic ingredients known for their healing properties. It's designed to be a multi-purpose solution for various baby skin issues, including cradle cap. If you prioritize natural, organic ingredients and want a single product to address multiple skin concerns for your baby, this is the one to consider. What people say. After just 2 days of applying it morning and night, I could already see a difference, especially behind his legs where he gets flare-ups the most. It helped calm the area down and made his skin look and feel much better. It worked so well that I just bought the bigger size. Definitely a must-have for eczema-prone skin. This ointment is amazing. I started using it on my daughter when she was a baby and would get either an eczema rash or drool rash all over her cheeks. It would clear it up basically overnight and became part of the nightly routine. Number 3. Frida Baby Breathe Easy Kit. Introducing the Frida Baby Breathe Easy Kit, your go-to solution for your baby's stuffy nose. This 3-piece set is designed to provide natural relief and help your little one breathe easier. Formulated with gentle, plant-based ingredients like eucalyptus and chamomile, it soothes and comforts your baby. You can trust its natural formulation without any harsh chemicals. The organic vapor drops offer multi-use benefits. Simply add them to a diffuser, bath water, or humidifier to create a calming environment for easier breathing. Designed for life on the go, its compact packaging makes it easy to bring these essentials anywhere. Ensure your baby can breathe comfortably whether at home or traveling. The chest rub and wipes offer a mess-free application. Enjoy soothing relief without any sticky residue or staining, making care quick and easy. Created specifically for baby-sensitive skin, this kit provides safe and effective congestion relief. It's a trusted choice recommended by healthcare professionals. What we like. This kit focuses on natural congestion relief for babies. It includes items like vapor wipes and rub, plus versatile vapor drops. If your baby is experiencing cold symptoms and you're looking for natural, plant-based solutions to help them breathe easier, especially when you're away from home, this kit is ideal. What people say. The vapor wipes, chest balm, and vapor drops are included in one box. The scent is gentle and comfortable to use on a baby's delicate skin. The wipes are soft and did not cause irritation. Adding the drops to a warm bath helped the baby relax before bedtime. The balm goes on smoothly and isn't greasy. The vapor wipes, gentle rub, and organic vapor drops provide congestion relief without overwhelming scents or textures. Each item delivers mild, natural comfort that helps kids breathe easier and settle calmly during colds or allergies. My son was breathing better for longer after sucking his nose of boogies and cleaning up with these wipes. The smell from the package is very subtle and nice. Number 2. Natemia Wooden Baby Hairbrush and Comb Set. Introducing our wooden baby hairbrush and comb set. Made with natural goat hair bristles, it offers a gentle scalp massage to help your baby relax. It's also perfect for soothing cradle cap. Crafted from premium, eco-friendly wood, this set combines beautiful design with gentle functionality. The soft bristles are perfect for your infant's sensitive scalp. This versatile set is designed for all babies, from newborns to toddlers. It's a perfect addition to any nursery, supporting daily grooming with natural materials. Our baby grooming kit makes maintaining your child's hair easy. Regular use ensures a clean and comfortable scalp, contributing to your baby's overall well-being. Made with natural fibers, this set is gentle and safe for daily use on delicate skin. Prioritize your baby's health with our non-toxic, sustainable grooming kit. What we like. This set features a brush with natural goat hair bristles and a wooden comb, designed for gentle scalp care. It's perfect for daily grooming and can help with cradle cap by providing a soft massage. If you prefer natural materials and are looking for a gentle way to maintain your baby's scalp health and hair, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. The bristles are incredibly soft, perfect for my baby's delicate scalp. The wooden handle is not only beautiful but also feels like great quality. This brush has also helped us with cradle cap, which is wonderful. Number 1. Frida Baby Infant Head Hugging Hairbrush and Comb Set. Introducing a unique, flexible design that contours to your little one's head. It provides a soft and gentle massage while styling their hair. The soft bristles are perfect for smoothing delicate hair and gently stimulating the scalp. It's designed for ultimate comfort. Keep your baby's hair looking neat and tidy with this styling comb. It easily tames flyaways for a polished look. Designed for convenience, it features a palm grip with comfort straps. This allows for easy one-handed use, even when you're on the go. Keep your grooming tools organized and accessible with the snap-in storage case. It ensures everything stays neat and tidy. What we like. This brush and comb set has a unique head-hugging design for a gentle massage and soft bristles for smoothing hair. The comfortable grip makes it easy to use. If you're looking for a simple, effective tool for everyday hair grooming and scalp stimulation that's comfortable for both you and your baby, this set is a great option. What people say. Great comb that's easy to use and convenient to store and carry. Gentle on baby's scalp and hair doesn't get tangled. Great brush for baby hair. Very soft and gentle on fine baby hair. The comb is also a nice size for a little baby. Bristles are nice and soft, it doesn't pull my little one's hair, it has nice durability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.